Today we have this guy, and you're probably gonna ask me what are you going to do with broad beans. I am going to have the kids peel it. I have a bag of them. It's not as easy as it seems. It needs hand-eye coordination, strengthening the muscles, and most of all, patience. To be part of the housework is also very important.
Mommy, you count and I put them, okay?
Okay?
I'm gonna do it a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 1 million. What? I also want to make a super long line. Do, 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 do. Oh, yeah. Do, 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 do. Ah! Whoa. Whew. Do, 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 do. Ah!
You're gonna help me peel the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's too hot.
It's not hot, it's cold. Okay, Noani, you're gonna help me. You need to make sure that there's no peel, and then you can do it like that.
We are going to make egg salad. I love egg salad. Because we haven't tried it before. That means you don't know. When you try it. Right, Mommy? Okay, now you're gonna have to give me an egg. Is this one good? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take out all the peels.
Avocado.
Ew. I like it, but you don't like it. Mommy, am I gonna smash the avocado?
Yes, you just mix it all together.
And squish it.
Yes.
I'm gonna squish the avocado with the egg. I think Ilana's dealing with it. What is that?
Mayonnaise.
Ilana, look at that here. Is this good? I'm eating avocado poop salad.
How is your avocado poop salad?
Yummy.
The whole activity lasts for 1 hour, from peeling the broad beans to fight about it, line them up in a row and count them. Apparently, Ilan did 68 and Noan peeled 178. It was fun, and we have a bowl of delicious broad beans for dinner.
I'm eating avocado poop salad.